So in this problem we have a cubic equation and we have to find value of a. So the cubic equation is a cube plus a square is equals to 36. So if you have a 2-degree equation like quadratic equation, it is easy to solve because you can find roots using a formula, that is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. But in case of cubic equation, you have to find one root using some kind of guess or some kind of hit and trial method. So let us try to find one solution or one root of this cubic equation using guess. So let us say we assume or we guess that a is equals to 0 is a solution, is a root. So this means this will satisfy the equation. So if you put a equals to 0, so 0 cube is 0, 0 square is 0, but this is not equals to 36. So this means a is equals to 0 is not a solution of this equation. Now consider a is equals to 1. So a is equals to 1, this means 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, which is equals to 2, and this is not equals to 36. This means this also does not satisfy the equation. What about a is equals to 2? So this is 2 cube, that is 8, 2 square is 4, and this is 12, and this is not equals to 36. This means this is also not a solution. What about a is equals to 3? So 3 cube, that is 27, and 3 square is 9. So 27 plus 9 is 36, which is exactly equal to the right hand side. This means I can say a is equals to 3 is one solution or is a root. So a minus 3 will be a factor. So a is equals to 3 is a root. This means now if I apply the factor theorem, I can say a minus 3 is one factor, is a factor of this expression, that is a cube plus a square minus 36 is equals to 0. So this equation is same. If you take 36 left hand side, you will have a cube plus a square minus 36 is equals to 0. So now a minus 3 is a factor, so basically this can be written as a minus 3 times some factor here I will have, and then this is equals to 0. Now you can traditionally divide, that is a minus 3, and you can divide this number, that is a cube plus a square minus 36, and then you can find what is the factor that will come here. Now in this video I will use a different method. So what we will do is, we will express 36, since 3 is the root, so I can express this as 27 plus 9. So 27 plus 9 is 36, and 27 is nothing but, so this is 3q, so this is 3q, and take minus sign inside, and 9 is nothing but 3 square is equals to 0. Now let us say these two terms, that is the first term and third term, we can club them, these two terms, and this term and this term we can club together. So if I club these terms, what I will have? I will have a cube minus 3q, this is one term, and another is a square minus 3 square is equals to 0. Now I will use two identity that to remember, that is aq minus bq. This is what? This is simply a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. And the second identity I will be using, that is a square minus b square. This is equals to a minus b into a plus b. So using these two identity, let us expand this term. So what we have here, this is AQ minus 3Q plus A square minus 3A square is equals to 0. So this will be A minus 3 times A square plus B square plus AB. So that is A into 3, that is 3A. And the second term will be simply A minus 3 into A plus 3. And this is equals to 0. Now I can take A minus 3 and A minus 3 as common. So I will have A minus 3. And now here I will have A square plus 9 plus 3A. And A plus 3 will come from here. A plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is A minus 3 into A square, and 3A plus A is 4A, plus 9 plus 3 is 12, and this is equals to 0. So either this can be 0 or this can be 0. So two possibility. So if A minus 3 is 0, so let us say case 1. So we can have, if A minus 3 is equals to 0, this means A is equals to 3. So this is one solution. Case 2, that is, so let us write with black. So this is case 2. That is A square plus 4A plus 12 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can clearly say that roots are minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the formula generally we use in case of quadratic equation to find the roots. So in this case, what will be the root? A is equals to minus b. So in this case, b is equals to 4 minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. So that is 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 12 divided by 2a. So divided by 2. So you can say this a is equals to minus 4 plus minus, this is 16 minus this is 48. So now you see roots are not real because this is a negative number. So minus 4 plus minus, and this is 32. So 32 with a negative sign, minus 32. So this is minus 32 divided by 2. And 32 is nothing but 16 into 2. So this is 4 root 2. So this means this I can write 4 root 2 and root over minus 1. And root over minus 1 is a complex number. It is written as I. So now if I divide by 2, I will have a is equals to minus 4 divided by 2, that is 2 plus minus 2 root 2i. So these two roots are imaginary, that is these two roots are not real. So we have three roots. One root is a is equals to 3. A is equals to 3 is one root, and another root is minus 2 plus 2 root 2i, and the third root is minus 2 minus 2 root 2i. So one root is real and these two roots are imaginary. So these two roots are imaginary. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.